Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at these Bluetooth water dancing speakers by Boom Beatz. We're going to have a good look, test them out and see if they're any good. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the returning subscribers, and if you're new, welcome too. So as I stated a moment ago, these speakers are from Boom Beatz. These speakers come with a built-in water fountain that dances to a beat of a song, and they are also brightly illuminated by LED colour changing lights. So as well as the sound responsive light and water display, you can also connect these speakers via the built-in Bluetooth or the aux-in with the cable that's provided. These Bluetooth speakers have a 700 mAh lithium rechargeable battery. So if you want to use these speakers on the go, they're great for portable use, and the operating distance is around about 10 meters maximum. To charge these speakers fully, it takes 1 to 2 hours, and you'll get 2 hours music playback time. The standby time is 100 hours, and each speaker is 3 watts. These speakers come in black and white, but we're going to get to the opening of this box real quick now and see what's in the box. So what do we have? We have the micro USB cable for charging, we have a 3.5mm auxiliary cord, and we have the twin mini USB to connect both speakers together, as only one speaker has a lithium battery, enabling it to power both speakers. These speakers look fantastic in white, and they do look retro style. And I must say that the speaker looks fantastic in silver with the black foam surround. As you can see, the water is already provided inside this speaker, but let's flip this main speaker around, the one with the lithium battery built in, and let's have a look what's on the back. So from left to right we have the on-off switch, the mini USB import, the auxiliary input, and the DC 5V mini USB insert. Switching over to the second speaker at the rear, there's only one insert, which is the mini USB insert that connects directly with the cable provided to the first powered speaker. And that indeed is what we're going to do. With the first speaker already powered on, as an example, we're going to take the mini USB that's provided, we're going to plug it into the mini USB insert on the second speaker. Then we're going to take the other end of the mini USB lead, plug it into the first speaker, and as you can see now, both speakers are now powered up. With these speakers now powered off, I'm going to connect these to my mobile phone. But before I do, let me just show you that these speakers do have a startup tone. So when you switch it on, it does make a beep. And I'm just going to go ahead now and select from my Bluetooth on my device. I'm going to press this one here, and now it should connect. After choosing a royalty-free song, let me just play it just now and see what these speakers sound like and how they perform. Because the water fountain inside these speakers shoots up like an equalizer when the music's playing, I just wanted to see how these speakers perform when the music's at low volume. And well, they do look nice and sound really clear, but let me just crank this volume up a bit. Oh yeah! Now these speakers are kind of loud for 3 watts, man. Yeah, and I must admit, I'm kind of shocked. For small speakers, are they enough to wake the neighbours? Maybe so. Yeah, I think something like this my son would actually love. And even great for a gift too. Let me just try another song just now. Oh yes, something with a bit of bass line, yeah man. Yep. What? Biggity bass, biggity bass, biggity bass. What? Yeah man, I like this. Let me just show you what the speaker's like when I unplug the second speaker. And as it's still running, it's really loud still. And it's quite impressive, yeah. As I said earlier on, you don't have to use the Bluetooth connectivity, you can also use the auxiliary cord that's included in the box. So all you've got to do is plug one end into the first speaker, then plug the other end into your mobile phone device or gadget such as a tablet, iPhone, or etc. And once again, if you use the auxiliary cord, you can not only use the one speaker, but like before, you can also connect the two. what's my overall verdict on these speakers? I think the functionality and all that comes in the pack is absolutely fantastic. You got all the connectivity and components you need to connect any mobile phone or gadget to these speakers. I think both sound and look of these speakers looks fantastic. And although some people might think these speakers are kind of like a gimmick, I actually think these are cool in white and really retro. Now I do own a mini soundbar that are the same wattage as these speakers, but I paid double the price for. And okay, the mini soundbar might sound a bit louder than these speakers just here, but the sheer look and quality, the connectivity with these speakers is absolutely fantastic. I've had no problems connecting to the Bluetooth or through the auxiliary cord. And these speakers can just fit right in any type of room, bedroom, living room, or maybe office or study. Now it's about that time. What would I give these speakers out of 10? I'm going to give these speakers 10 out of 10. And well, I'll leave a link in the description where you can actually buy these speakers from, and you can also buy a different branded type of speaker that's just like these in the description down below. I hope you like my video. Please share, please smash that like button, and please subscribe. Peace! Got to do is plug one end of the auxiliary cord into the speaker and beating like a heart. Phone cover's in the way.